Okay, so here's the deal. This is my project. I have done exactly I've been told for the VRE plugin. Added a new folder. It has the master in it, and just I extracted the zip file in there. Pretty simple. Okay, now here's what we want to do. We want to reparent the ACF character to the VR character. Okay, so the ACF character is the child. So the plugin child, so let's call the ACF the child plugin, needs to know where its parent is. And in order to do that, you just go to the Ascent Combat, Source, Ascent Combat Framework, and in the build.cs, you need to add the VRE expansion plugin exactly as it is written here, which is exactly as it is written here. You need to add this to public dependency modules. Okay? I'll give you a little bit of time so you can follow along. I'm sorry I'm not doing this directly. I literally just did this right now. So, okay, I'm going to assume you did this. Save this, put it down. And then what I need you to do is go again to your plugins, Ascent Combat. Sorry. Hold on a second. Source, Ascent Combat Framework, Public, and then go to your actors, find your character. Okay, in your character, all you have to do is add this. Include VRCharacter.h, which is the header file of the VRCharacter. Header files are where your variables, your structs, where your character is being defined. So this is where the definition of VRCharacter is. Okay, so you include the header file of VRCharacter in here. After you do that, here's what you'll find. Normally you would find here a character. Normally, this would be like this. Just add VR to it. It's that simple, because this is what is named VRCharacter. Just you need to add a VRCharacter and then build, and you're good to go. If you open your project after that, you should be able to find that every ACF character in that project right now is a VR character. Before you try this out, you're gonna have to do the same to the controller. Let me find the controller really quickly to show you how to do the controller. Might as well. If I try now any ACF character, this guy is a ACF character, you'll see that everything has changed here. The controller, right? Let's do the controller. I close the project. It's in game ACF player controller. So ACF player controller .h is where you need to go, and let's find this is a player controller. So we need to include the header file of the VR controller. So let's go to my project file again, plugins, the VR expansion master, VR source, public, and let's find that controller, which is VR player controller. There's not that I see any children of this here. So I'll just add it there, VR player controller. Hashtag include. VR player controller.h. Double check. That's the name of it. And then here a VR player controller. You don't want to save this, then you don't want to build your project. So you can go to project again. I'm not editing this, so don't embarrass me. I am not sure this has worked as intended. It should have. But let's check it out. Let's go to player controller class here. Let's see. Doesn't seem to have worked. Gonna have to go to all the children. Yeah, it didn't work. Let me do that again. Let me check. VR play controller, VR play controller. Well, should have worked. I don't know if I'm supposed to see anything different. There is no problems with this, so I have no idea how. Let me see, how does a VR player controller look like? Oh, so I think it worked. Mouse interface? I'm not sure that was there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it worked. But stat info, invent, story, okay. One more thing, sub to the channel. You don't know when things like this, when I just release things like this, that might be useful to you sometime. Just saying, bro. Good luck.